I I ordered wrong. That's a tintable base. That's not a black top coat. I'm like, oh, maybe they just made it white so you can see where it's going on at. No, that's definitely just a tintable top coat. Now I got to buy the black base and restart next week. Sometimes I just get a little excited, you know. I'm sure you all been there. All right, guys, in today's video, we are going to be using our Raptor liner to bed line our Silverado. This is something I should have done a long time ago. This is our work truck. It's a 2014 Silverado, and I had such good luck with Raptor liner in the back. We're gonna do it again, so let's get out there and check out what we're doing. All right, so we've got the bed all cleaned out. I just got the tailgate off, which if you've ever done it on these trucks, it's super simple actually. Um, they have these little clips here, and you just pull up on the clip, slide it up out of the groove there, and then that takes those off. This does have the backup camera on it, so I did have to unplug that, which is like down in here. And then the hole is big enough to just pull that clip out. So that makes it super easy. And then you just line up the hinges so that they pull out, and then you can just slide the gate sideways out. So what we're actually going to end up doing is removing these Torx head screws, taking this plate off, and then we'll do it like the right way, but we're going to scuff it all up first. So what I'm doing right now is actually just popping out these little plastic pieces that are right here. They're all the way around it. We'll get those off. I haven't decided if I'm gonna take off these bed caps or not. It makes me a little nervous because the plastic's old. I don't want to break the clips on them and then have to redo them. So we might just use that as a tape line, tape it off, and then we'll put this Raptor liner on. If you guys have been watching my channel for a long time, you saw that we use that on a Blazer. We did the whole truck in that bed liner. It held up amazing. The key is just making sure you get it on thick enough. We ordered their 6-liter kit, which is what they recommended. It was like 120 bucks. I'll link it down below. But you should be able to take a 5.5 foot bed like this on a Silverado and make it look professionally done with this kit. Watch along, we're going to show you how. we've got them all out now. So that'll just make it easier for our scuffing. We'll be able to get right up in there and get it scuffed. Like I said, we're probably gonna just tape this off. A lot of people, they'll use these on a grinder. I don't like them because they spread out. And I mean, to me, it was a pain in the butt to get into all the edges. So we're just gonna use a DA 80-inch sandpaper, or 80 grit sandpaper, 5-inch. Sand everything we can with that, and then we'll come back with a red Scotch-Brite pad and hit all the crevices and all the hard to reach areas, and that should be good enough. All right, guys, so we are scuffing up the bed. We're just DAing it here. We cut the sound out of this part so that you didn't have to hear that loud noise. Plus, my employee came out and was talking to me there. But yeah, we're just gonna scuff it up, make sure we get all the shine off of it, from the sides, the edges, all that kind of stuff. Alrighty, guys, we've got her all prepped, scuffed up. I put the tailgate back on for washing. That's what it looks like. We're gonna use some soapy water here to clean it all up. So you don't want to use anything with waxes. This is just a generic Dawn dish soap that we're gonna just kind of squirt down on there, and then we're gonna make sure we scrub it in. I'll actually probably use one of these pads, scrub it in, flush it out, blow it out with air, get it really, really dry. Then we're gonna mask it off for the bed application. I've probably got maybe hour 20 minutes in this so far, but I keep getting called away, so I'm like on day 3 now, if this looks different. Don't care. I don't know, like, people should just be able to find happiness in the day, but
I'm over that shit now. I'm not, like, I don't see the point in it.
in happiness?
No, just not.
All right, it's time to spray. We've got our 4-liter kit. Comes with the gun, apparently a measuring cup. Last time we just filled it up to there, so I'm gonna open this one and see. There's your hardener. Fill it up to there, put it on the gun, spray your bed. This is a end of the week, Friday night. I'm exhausted. We wrapped it with plastic, a little bit of foam to fill that gap. Usually you spray these tailgates off the vehicle and tape the back, but I didn't want to mess with all that. We did undo all the screws, and we've got it spaced there, which is messing that up. I put the box right on it. That was brilliant. I never said I'd do smart things. I'm not telling you to follow all of my advice, but we do give advice. We're gonna spray this whole thing real quick, so I gotta get home. So let's get to it. I ordered wrong. That's a tintable base. That's not a black top coat. I'm like, oh, maybe they just made it white so you can see where it's going on at. No, that's definitely just a tintable top coat. Now I got to buy the black base and restart next week. Sometimes I just get a little excited, you know. I'm sure you all been there. All right, so I apologize about that video footage at the end there. The camera was pointed right into the light and I had a guy in there kind of distracting me a little bit. So I kept forgetting to take out my phone and get better quality. But here is the finished product for you guys. It turned out phenomenal. I could not be happier with it. All right, so this is what it looks like. Obviously, we still got our big dent here, but overall, this turned out really, really nice. The one bad part of this is it's been sitting here for a while, so there's been birds pooping on it. I lost all of my screws. I don't know where the hell I put them, so make sure you put those in a baggie and a safe spot. So I had to order new ones. They'll be coming in. But yeah, it came out really, really nice. It looks phenomenal. It sprays super easy. just how we did. If you have questions, leave them down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you haven't yet, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be coming out with a lot more vehicle oriented stuff, and we're going to keep doing our powder coating. So we hope to see you guys on the next one.